So welcome once again to e-design and craft tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to make a baby playmat. The materials we'll be needing for this, we'll be needing fabric. I'm using fabric. You can decide to use Macintosh or shower cotton. Macintosh is kind of like it's a fabric that does not allow water to pass through it easily. It's kind of like waterproof like material. Does not allow water to enter it easily. Or you can use shower cotton, but I'm using this cotton material. And then I'll need a lining, and I'm using this half-inch foam. This is a half-inch foam. It's used by furniture making people who make furniture. If you don't want to use this, foam, you can use fiber, but the foam is more durable. It will last longer and it will still come out nice, just like the fiber. So to make our baby playmat, the first thing we'll do is we are going to place our cotton fabric. Then the length of what I'm making, the length is 36 inches, while my width is 29 inches. So after placing the cotton material, you place your foam on top. The foam, the cotton material, and the lining are the same size. They are all the same sizes. So after placing this, I am going to pin it down. Pin to hold the three materials together. After that, I will sew round. I want to show you another method of finishing your edge. We did one with the baby duvet. So this second one, we are going to finish the edge in a different method. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to sew round to hold these three materials together. I'll sew around the four corners, and then I'll come back to show you what next to do.